In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to stream Netflix on Discord. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. There are 3 things that you can do to be able to stream Netflix on Discord. The first is to go onto your Google Chrome, click on the 3 dots, click on Settings, and then when you search Settings, search Hardware. Now, as you can see, this says use hardware acceleration when available. So make sure that it is checked, and then you're going to go to Discord, Settings, and scroll down to Advanced, and make sure the same thing is checked off, hardware acceleration. Now, the next one you are going to do is go down to registered games and add your game as Google Chrome or wherever you are watching Netflix. All you have to do is select Google Chrome and add the game. Now, Netflix will be able to stream on Discord. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.